Hey, howdy, hey y'all, Leanna here. Today is a very sad edition of What's on the Porch because I received my Makeup Geek order as soon as I heard that they were going out of business and they had a 40% off sale. I rushed to their website as fast as I could get there because they are one of my absolute favorite brands, and I'm just so sad to hear that they have gone out of business. And some of the things that I wanted on their site when I got there had already sold out and I couldn't get my hands on it. But I can't wait to open this box because some of the things in here have been on my wish list for quite some time, and to be able to get them at 40% off was awesome. It is all bundled up because, I mean, when I tell you I placed an order, I placed an order. I wanted to make sure that I got what I wanted to get while the getting was good, before it was all gone. And I'm not even sure. I think it's all in here. This is what it looks like. Oh, I love me some Makeup Geek. These are all single shadows. Oh. Because I wanted one of the Matrix palettes. Is that what it's called? The Matrix? Actually, all of these are all single shadows. I think they're called the Matrix palettes, and I wanted both of them. One of them was sold out, the other was not. So I got one of their Z palettes, and then I pulled, I think it was the nudes. Yes, so the Matrix neutral palette was sold out, but I did get the Matrix color palette. So what I did was I pulled up the Matrix neutral palette and I tried to buy all of the single shades so that I could create my own. And so that's what I'm going to do. Oh, look, this one must be really old. This is a blush. That is really dark. And a bronzer. And another blush. This is COVID. This is Tawny. And this is Desire. Okay, so I was wrong. I did not get an empty Z palette. They sent me an empty Z palette, and then all of the shades were individually wrapped for the Matrix color palette. So I had to put it all in here myself, and you can see right here on this one I stuck my fingernail in it trying to get it in there. But that's okay. It was fun to pull the picture up on their website and put all of the shades in order. That was a lot of fun. So my second order, which is where I picked out all of the neutral shades, is not in this box, so that is coming separately. This is a really nice Z palette, and I tried to order one of these, but they were out of stock, so I was excited this was in the box, and then not excited to realize that it was actually the Matrix color palette. So all of these other shades are extras, extra colors that I did not have, that I ordered. Because, in case I didn't say it the first time, I love Makeup Geek. I have a Z palette that has a lot of Makeup Geek in it. It was one of the first brands that I started buying when I started on this makeup journey. And so I really am sad that they're going out of business. So that's my Makeup Geek, sad Makeup Geek haul. Thank you for watching me. Well, I mean, you really didn't watch me do anything because I did it all off camera. I learned where the like button is. Make sure you give that like button some love. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age and at any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Go to Makeup Geek. They're 40% off. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye. Christopher, look at the pretties. Do you have your fish and lures? Do you have a Z palette so that you can organize all of your fish and lures by color? Maybe you should invent that if there isn't such a thing. And then you can make lots and lots of money. And I can quit my job and just stay home and make videos all day, okay? And give you lots and lots of makeup tips, all right? Okay, Mama loves you, boo.